Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. If you know that you are a forex trader or a beginner that just want to go into forex and you want to be successful, stay and watch this video to the end. But if you know that you want to just go into forex and you think forex is a get rich quick scheme, just go in there, you make the money, you blow up, you go to villa, you buy Lamborghinis. Just skip this video, okay? Because I'm here to give you preferred advice that even top forest traders might not want to tell you. I've been doing it for a long time now, and at least I've gathered some informations and ideas from the market, how the market works, how it operates, and how it can affect your life both positively and negatively. Okay, if you go to some YouTube channel of big forest traders and mentors like Gojo Forest, Happy Forest, Jeff Benzin, the Double Wheels, and all of them. So you can see their videos, how they flash their costly cars and all of that. And you'll be like, and you're a beginner, right? And you'll be like, how will I get started and how can I become so much successful like they are? Every one of you knows, and although some people don't used to put into proper consideration, try to be yourself. Don't ever say to yourself, how can I be successful like this one? Because every one of us has a destiny, a purpose, and a mission here on earth. You can't start asking yourself, how are you going to be like this one? Are you going to be like Jeff? Are you going to be like Happy first? You understand? You don't do that. Because if you want to follow that pattern, you might end up destroying your life. See, for us, destroy your life. Forex can destroy your life. See, I'm not saying this to maybe instict fear into you, but I'm trying to let you know what you have to know. A lot of people just carry their phone and go into YouTube and start searching forex trading for beginners. You will find a video that they will be telling you, if you want to start forex trading as a beginner, you have to get a smartphone, have strong internet connection, download MT5. They will show you how to link your broker to MT5. You understand? You fund a small amount and they have already funded their account, and they use that to set an example. So they'll just use $10, $20 to set an example, and they'll tell you this is what you do when the market do this and do that. You buy, and you see, as a beginner, you're watching that. You just carry your phone, you go to Play Store or App Store, download MT5. When you download MT5, you find one broker or the other that maybe if they introduce after first to you, you click on their link. Maybe they introduce Xness, use their link, you register, you get an account, or more, oh boy. You don't start to the trade with that too. The first loss where you go clear your eye. That's when you go deeper, and you won't go deeper to be looking for a mentor. You'll go deeper to more YouTube courses. You'll be downloading videos, watching videos, or just jumping. Not that YouTube videos will help you. It will help you, but I will not advise you to do that. A lot of people, in fact, many people, majority of people feel so cheated to pay for mentorship. They rather to lose that money in the market than for them to remove that $200 or $100 and pay for mentorship. I know that some forex traders, like these top mentors, these rich traders, they charge as if they are drunk or what. Sometimes their charges always get me annoyed. I'm always pissed off because I will be like, this person will can't learn this for us. He won't make money from the market. He never get anything. Now broke. Now poverty carry and come. You can't charge at this kind of amount. What you want? You want him to continue or you want him to run? So now why you invest me sometimes? Go carry mentorship. They charge present $600, $500, $400. What thing you want make him run or make him continue to do? Maybe partake in the lecture or what? Person, because that guy get $500 waiting in the five for us again. You get people will see if they get that kind of amount of money, that to find one better business do. You see, a lot of people love business and this online. You see online business. There are a lot of people that if you just carry online business go their way, they feel for you speed. Many people don't trust. They don't believe in online business. Like that's why if they see people being so rich, flashing their costly cars, they'll be like, this one is a Yahoo boy. Not be everything be Yahoo. Not be everything be Yahoo. Everything be Yahoo. So my advice for you is that if you are a forex trader watching this video or you want to go into it, I know there's money in forex, over $6.1 trillion flowing every day in the forex market. Maybe you want to grab those money, please You see that money when you take start to the trade, use and pay for mentorship. We still have mentors that charge a very little amount of money, $100, $50. You have them, you can pay and learn. Like me personally, I charge just 50. If you want to learn, for as in for the rest of your life, you won't pay for anything. You won't pay for my see my senior channel is free to my mentees. You don't pay for signal, you don't all this VIP stuff, that's nonsense. We don't do it. Don't everything is free. Just mentorship, if you pay for it, wow, you in fact you get what you want. And someone like the founder of FS Media Academy is my mentor. He charged a little amount of money to train. He's a very good man. I'm not just trying to promote him here, but I am promoting him because of his good. See, if you are good, person could promote you without even him or her knowing saying they promote you. Each if I say person they good, they good. It's very good to first trading, and it teaches, like I would say, for free, because the amount he charges people for this thing for us everything, it's not something that you call a charge, it's a free stuff. So people like that, we still have them. So I would advise you, the first thing you should do, in fact, before you install the MT5, install mentor. Install a mentor into your life first. Just carry your phone, install a mentor first into your life before you install MT5, because you go blow their account and you go cry. Install a mentor first. After installing the mentor, whatever a trusted one, you can link up to me. You understand? You can comment here. Link up to my WhatsApp. We chat, and maybe if you want to learn from me, no problem. If you want to learn from, I have them good ones that charges little amount of money. And from there, that's when you will tell you what to do. Your mentor will tell you when to download the broker and start using them. When to maybe start trading after your lectures and all of that. I also drop free updates, like a free prop account for beginners, like even intermediate traders or advanced trader. If you are looking for a pro firm, I do drop free accounts which you can trade with. Pass the test, you get funded, you withdraw. It's real evidence day, you can withdraw from them. So all those updates, I post them in my channel. So if you are my mentee, you are opportune. That's a great advantage you can take. So please stop jumping. See, even if you go meet one rich forex that you go pay $1,000, then Forex, you see this account of blowing everything, you go still blow them, because all of them that are charging you, they're charging from their experience, and they'll teach you from their experience too. Okay, you carry $1K, you go pay for mentorship. You pay for mentorship finish, you join class finish after 1 year. See, nothing you go tell me for this life. If you like, you know the work for Forex. So if you like, go do what you want to do. If you like, learn the way anyhow you want to learn now, bro, you go still blow your account. And the kind of account where you go blow, nobody the one way you go pay. Now the one way go pay you. If you like, so give yourself, say until you finish. If you finish trading, say you no go blow account, you go blow that account. No matter what happens, you will blow the account. And when you blow the account, that's when you start looking for maybe a way to strategize, define your strategy, journal. All those things help, but I'm trying to let you know that if you want to invest in your maybe journey as a first trader, to pay for mentorship, if the amount reach $1,000, $500, don't. If you know that kind of money for your hand, if you want to say if you want to for that kind of money, stress for you, but you still won't still gather my goals that kind of money, carry and give person, make person teach you something where could make you the lost money. See, man, I tell you, as a beginner, if you learn Forex finish, that Forex for your time, that time where you just learn and finish, now something where could make you the lost money. No matter how you learn, you go make profit, you go see profit for your eye. If you go carry $4, go reach $35, can't carry them again, go reach 100, can't carry them, go reach 200. One day everything just clear. You go touch na juju, no be juju. Because waiting, you never strong. Forex today is both of spiritual and physical. Mine never did. Like that discipline never did build it up. You are not yet grounded. Yeah, you are not yet grounded. So you can't big money go pay person teach you something where go make you lose money at the first instance or at the startup process. You dey fool yourself. Don't do it. If that mentor don't say $50, yes, it's too much. Like it's too plenty. $100, that one is okay. Above that, please don't do it. Waiting they want teach you where me never been learned before. I still learn before. I still can blow my first 3 for 5. Last they will tell you say now you know the discipline. Now you cause now you the over leverage. Leave all those things. As a beginner, one thing you have to know is that you must blow your account no matter how good you are. Number 2, there is no 100% trading strategy in the forex market. And number 3, what you also have to know is it is compulsory for you to withdraw your profit even if it's not yet weekend. As a beginner, you want to say I want the stack, my profit stack. Not just Profemo, your life account. Now they talk. If you make profit in your life account, maybe on Monday you make profit, Tuesday, Wednesday, you start to get overconfidence on yourself. That time when that overconfidence they come, go and withdraw that money. At least if you carry $100 go reach like in a period of 3 days, you don't go that 100 to 150. Go and withdraw that 50. If you are too greedy, because you get people where we say to withdraw that money, as in money where you go withdraw use, it dey pain you. But if you lost that, I don't go pay you pass. Just withdraw that 50, make the 100 day, grow them again. But if you dey very disciplined, just withdraw the 100, maybe your capital, allow the 50 making day. Or in fact, if you withdraw 120, trade 30. With that, you go to trade with peace of mind. You know, so your capital, they your hand with profit. You understand? So there are a lot of ways you can maybe. You are done learning the forex trading of a thing, you have maybe graduated, you started trading. There are a lot of things you will do for you to stay safe even while you are still blowing your account. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss that what you can do for yourself to stay safe even while you are still blowing your account. You still be on phones, like no be person you go blow account finish, money don't finish. You go just work out, they find who will give you money, trading capital. You go the bill for us to that online. Pay phone accounts for me now. Buy me profams now. All those kind of things. You understand? So in the next video I will discuss that so that you can know what to do for yourself so that you can stay safe in the forex market. So please don't forget it's not tell you. Those things are very important. That capital where you dey trade, value am. Get video I post that for this channel. Go and watch it. Value that capital more than the profit where you never see. But that profit where you never see, because of that profit, you go the over leverage. And still because of that profit, you go still blow the account. You get times over leverage they work. If it work for you today, tomorrow it no work for you again. And they always resort to you clearing your account. So if you blow your account, which kind of job you get, it's better for you to just be risky. As in, you know, say you get this kind feelings where you go they feel like you know go get joy if you use small loss size to trade. Like if you found $1,000 now, you're gonna use 0.01. You open like 3 positions, 5 positions, they trade them. 3 positions, they trade them. 3 positions, like you be like that. How much profit for if I for use 0.1. I for collect $200 for this 200 pips, but because of this 0.2 I they use now for this 200 pips, waiting I can collect now just $40, now just $20 for 0.01 lot. All these calculations can come your mind. From there you go start to increase lot size. See, it's better for you to be feeling so low, like you get better capital, but you make small profit. You fit trade forever now. You no go blow your account. In the next coming future, you yourself go enjoy. You go be like, thank God I was using proper risk management. Especially if you come across your friends, where be there on phone, where be they trade 1K accounts like you, but they don't blow their own. And as they don't blow their own, now their eye don't clear. They're gonna bill you. You fit use them like me, I feel to assist you. If you bill for us to do like me, I feel give you like $20. You find where you won't get $10. Rather than buy account, maybe proper account, start trading again. If you blow again, that won't concern you. You understand? You go get that joy, but you work on the increased leverage. You get instant joy that time. Like you can make $200 in a day for 1K account to for at the end of the week you don't make 500 or more. You almost double your account, or maybe you double your account. That of a confidence will come and you'll be like, I want to keep making this profit like this. You guys people could tell you reduce that loss size, but you like your hand no go fit no go like listing. Your hand go just the increase. Go just dey click plus plus plus, dey increase lot, dey increase lot, dey increase lot. The day where you go regret am, the day where I go clear am, when you go lose that capital. It is better for you to not make profit than for you to put your capital and you lost it. So value that capital wey dey your account pass that profit wey you never see. I tell you, if you dey carry mind maybe say this kind mind dey trade forex, maybe say you go just dey talk say that I will just wan try this thing see, I know say na loss is full this place, but man just enter am, na risk. With that you go use smaller size, and if you chop loss e no go pain you, if you chop profit you go get small joy, because in everything you have you need to be grateful. I no fit talk say you go get big joy because I know say you no go get big joy because you wan over leverage, you wan follow Jeff Bezos dey use $100 size. So at least you know say that your capital still there. The bad as e bad, if you withdraw your capital solve your problem. It is more better than for you to lose it. If you lost it, I know what I dey tell you. You don't say man dey cry before. You will be man, you go talk say I be man. You never tell it to. You get wetin forex market. See, forex market never come out to tears for eyes. You know, so you never start. You not come on me tears for eyes, bro. If you never experience them, you never start. So I beg, if you know so you be first, just subscribe to your channel and then like this video, share it to your fellow soldiers, your friends, those you know say this video will help them. Those where you dey advise they don't want hear. Those where they tell them say do like this, they don't want hear. If you know say your advice where they give them, right me better they talk now. If you share this video, give them. Understand? So drop a comment. I want to know those are first soldiers that are watching this video. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.